Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback today, so some updates certainly need to be made here as we head into the weekend. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward, it's now all about $32.50, meaning if the price can continue to consolidate out and then turn itself around, that's where the big question mark remains. Is, okay, that's great that the price would have bounced and gotten up to that area at 32.50, but does the bounce still have enough power to be able to not only break above that level, but stay up above it? So definitely 32.50 going to be a very, very important level to watch. If they're not necessarily on Monday, but just in the coming days, assuming, of course, the price is able to actually, turn itself around and get back up to that area. So keep a very close eye on that in terms of, any sort of attempted recovery. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, first key level of support going into next week going to be right there at the $30.25 mark. And then if 30.25 cannot quite hold up, next level of support that stands out to me at least would then be down there right around that level at the $29 mark. So keep your eye on those couple levels of support. But yeah, as of right now, the chart wasn't destroyed after today, but sure, it's definitely looking a little shaky. But just because the chart looks shaky, doesn't mean it's a guarantee of anything. But it's just something to keep in mind. But again, 32.50 definitely going to be the most important area going into next week. So we'll see if the price can, like I said, work its way back up to that area and then get the break above it, and then most importantly, stay up above it. So we'll see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.